Natural language processing, NLP, is a field that unlocks the power of human language and enables computers to understand and interact with it. By focusing on the interaction between computers and language, NLP harnesses the capabilities of machine learning algorithms to analyze and interpret text for meaning, sentiment, and context. Through advanced techniques, NLP facilitates speech recognition and synthesis, giving rise to voice assistants and translation systems that can understand and respond to human speech. These systems have transformed the way we interact with technology, making tasks more convenient and accessible. NLP algorithms excel in extracting information from vast amounts of text, enabling applications such as text summarization, sentiment analysis, and entity recognition. By mining text data, NLP empowers businesses to gain valuable insights from customer feedback, social media posts, and other textual sources. One of the remarkable achievements of NLP is its ability to generate human-like language. Through techniques like language modeling and text generation, NLP algorithms can produce coherent and contextually relevant text, opening up possibilities for chatbots, virtual assistants, and creative content generation. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we will delve into specific NLP techniques and applications, exploring topics such as named entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and natural language generation. We will provide you with a deeper understanding of NLP's inner workings and practical use cases. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of NLP. Don't miss out on our upcoming content, packed with valuable insights and applications in the field of natural language processing.